Children, today's date is 30th of July and the year is 2020 and today's day is Thursday. Today we are going to study numeracy. Okay, so on Tuesday you had learned a new number. Yes, the number 9. So you learned how to count till number 9 and you had also learned how to write number 9. Okay, so now that you know the numbers in sequence from 1 to 9, we are going to revise that by doing this activity. So I want all of you to do this activity at home. Okay, so first let us revise the numbers that we have done. Okay, so which number is this? 1. Now we are doing forward counting in sequence. 1, begin with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes? So did I miss any number? No. So all the numbers were said in the correct order, in the correct sequence. So what I want you to do today is, now today we're going to make a rocket. Okay, that's flying in the sky. You know what's a rocket? Yeah, it flies up high in the sky. So we are going to make a rocket. So what we are going to do is, we are going to make the body of the rocket with these number cards. Okay, so I have to stick the number in the correct sequence. I should not miss any number. I should not put the numbers in the wrong order. Okay, so I start with number. Which number should I begin with? Number 1. Okay, so I'll stick number 1. So you need a Fevicol also for this, a glue. Okay, so now put some glue and now we put number 1. Okay, so here goes number 1. Now, what is the number after number 1? What is the next number? What comes after 1? Number 2. Okay, so now this is number 2. Now we're going to stick it. Okay, so here comes number 2. Okay, now what's the number after 2? What's the next number? The next number should be 3. Okay, so here comes number 3. So we're going to take, again stick it, put some glue, and here comes number 3. Okay, now what's the number after 3? The next number is, can we go in sequence? 1, 2, 3. So what comes next? 4. So number 4. Okay, so this is number 4. Now apply some glue. Okay, and let me stick it. Okay, so now we have come to number 4. So what's the number after 4? What comes next is number 5. Okay, stick it. That's number 5. So now again we start the sequence. If you have forgotten, start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the number after 5? 6. The next number will be number 6. Okay, now again, what's the number after 6? So if you forgot, again we count from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What comes after 6? 7. So the next number will be, after 6 will be number 7. Then what comes after 7? What will be the next number after 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the number? Number 8. So the number after number 7 is number 8. So here comes my next number. That is number 8. Now, what's after 8? What's the number after 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the number is 9. So the number after 8, my next number is number 9. And here number 9 is my last number. Okay, so my begin with, that's my starting number, is 1. Okay, then after 1 is number 2. After 2 is number 3. After 3 is 4. After number 4 is 5. After 5 is 6. After 6 is 7. After 7 is 8. After 8 is number 9. Yes, so I have arranged all my number cards in the correct sequence. So here the body of the rocket is complete now. Okay, so now we can complete the rocket by putting the tail of the rocket. So I have cut these papers in the shape of a rectangle. Yeah, it has 4 corners and one side is longer and one side is shorter. So the shape is of a rectangle. Okay, so I'm going to stick it here. So I have cut 4 rectangular papers here. Okay, so how many are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here I'm going to complete the tail of the rocket. Okay, so here is my rocket. So the rocket is complete. The body of the rocket is in the numbers are in the correct sequence. Okay, so I want you to do this activity at home, and then you can make some nice beautiful stars because the rocket flies up in the sky. So I want you to make 9 stars. Okay, so you can draw 9 stars. So stars is very simple to draw. So you make a triangle, 1, 2, 3 corners. It's a triangle, a straight triangle, and then a sleeping triangle. Okay, so again, that's a triangle. Okay, so I want you to make 9 triangles. So I'm counting. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 stars. Okay, and then you can color them beautifully. So I want you to complete this activity and submit it by tomorrow. Okay children, happy learning. Bye.